There shall be showers of blessing, riches reviving amen, over the hills and the valleys, and on the garments of rain.
The digestive process. It improves the strength of your thighs, chest, neck, and shoulder. It alleviates neck strain and helps to cure neck pain. It helps in reducing back pain. The benefits of Pavan Mukta Asanas are: it eases the tension in lower back, it enhances the blood circulation, it relieves the constipations, it strengthens the abdominal muscles. It helps in reducing the fats of thighs, buttocks, and abdominal area.
Ustrasana. It helps to strengthen your back muscles, buttocks, and back of thighs. It is beneficial in relieving back and neck pain. It is also helpful in reducing fats over the abdomen and hips. It is also helpful in various digestive problems and cardiorespiratory disorders. It relieves depression, anxiety, and stress. It helps in relieving any pain in your knees, legs, and ankles.